Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Pad, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. Now, I do want to start off by quickly mentioning that I don't know if there is a version of this tablet that doesn't have mobile connectivity, SIM card spot. If there is such an option, I have obviously the one that does have LTE, which means I also have a tray. But if you don't have a tray right here at the bottom of your device, where your charging port is, just on the corner, then that means that there is obviously a version of this device that doesn't have LTE, only Wi-Fi, which means you can't insert a SIM card on your end. Now, obviously if you do, then you can go on with this. For this tray, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but typically it will look a little bit crappier, similar to this crappy one right here, just a bare metal. If you can't find any of that kind of tool, what you could do is use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrap, which if it does you can cut it off, it should work just as well. So now with that out of the way, let's pop out the tray. So you want to find the insert area, which is, as you can see, part of this cutout right here, and from there just push it in. When you do, tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now on the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. So I'm gonna grab my card. Looks like we need to place it like this. There we go. Now there is a kind of way that you need to slide it under, so there's a little bit of a brace almost, if I can bring it up close. So you can see there is a tiny little brace right here. You want to grab your card and just slide it under it. There we go. Now the card should be laying flush on the tray, as you can see, and if you flip it over, it shouldn't be falling out of the tray. So from now, you want to just pop that card back into your device. Just make sure you put it in the correct way. It should only enter back into the device in a single way, so that looks with the chip side facing down. And when you insert your SIM, it should automatically work. So you can see it's already prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin. Let's confirm it, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.